Tesla just reported a 70% drop in profits. That's about $2.6 billion wiped out in a single quarter. What's going on? And is Elon Musk losing control? People loved its electric cars, its cool technology, and most of all, its bold leader, Elon Musk. But something has changed. This sudden fall has surprised everyone from investors, car enthusiasts, and even the competition. So now the big question is, why is Tesla falling? In today's video, let's break it down. There was a time, just 2 years back, when electric vehicle sales were rising exponentially. In 2023, Tesla delivered around 1.8 million cars worldwide. But in early 2024, for the first time in years, their sales actually went down. In just the first quarter of 2024, Tesla's vehicle deliveries dropped by 8.5% compared to the last quarter of 2023. That's a big deal because Tesla was known for constant growth. The worst by far, though, is what's happening in China, where Tesla opened its Shanghai plant in 2019. That plant, the first in China wholly owned by a foreign car maker, marked a turning point for Tesla, fueling a massive sales spike and pushing it into the black consistently thanks to low-cost Chinese labor, parts, and logistics. But a decline in that market, where Tesla has seen consistent growth up until this year, threatens to narrow its already shrinking profit margins. A big reason for slower sales, China's domestic EV companies are starting to beat Tesla on everything. China had a plan when they let Tesla have a fully owned factory. They wanted the technology and the knowledge and experience, said shareholder Ross Gerber, CEO of Gerber Kawasaki Wealth and Investment Management. With that came a risk China would take that technology and build better stuff. That's exactly what they're doing. Now they've got really competitive vehicles, really competitive technology, and the vehicles are cheaper. In China, which is Tesla's second biggest market after the US, things are even worse. Tesla is now being beaten by Chinese companies like BYD, which sold over 3 million EVs in 2023. That's almost twice as many as Tesla. BYD also just unveiled a new 5-minute battery charging system, 4 times faster than Tesla's superchargers. CATL, the world's largest battery maker and a Tesla supplier, is now dismissive of Musk's battery ambitions, including a newly launched lithium cell designed for heavier vehicles. CEO and founder Robin Zeng said in a Reuters interview late last year that he'd flat out told the billionaire that Tesla's new battery cell is going to fail and never be successful. Clearly, Tesla is no longer the only strong player in the EV market. To fight back, Tesla started cutting prices. In the US, the Model Y's price was reduced by nearly $13,000 in 2023. The Model 3 also saw a price drop of about $5,000. At first, this helped boost interest. More people thought that they could now afford a Tesla. But lower prices also mean lower profits, and not just a little less. Tesla's profit per car dropped a lot. In 2021, Tesla had a profit margin of over 25%. Now, in the fourth quarter of 2024, that number is around 17.6%. That's the lowest it has been in years. So even if they sell the same number of cars, they're making a lot less money on each one. There's also another problem. Tesla hasn't launched many new cars lately. The last big success before the Cybertruck was the Model Y, which came out in 2020. Since then, other companies have been moving faster. Brands like Hyundai, Kia, Ford, Mercedes-Benz, BMW, and BYD are launching new EVs with great features and better designs at competitive prices. Some of them even have faster charging and longer range. Tesla's designs are starting to feel old to many buyers. The Cybertruck, launched at the end of 2023, made a lot of noise, but isn't a mass-market vehicle. It starts at $60,990, and Elon Musk himself admitted that it might take years to become profitable. So while the Cybertruck looks cool, it isn't enough to save Tesla's sales numbers. Another reason people are worried about Tesla is Elon Musk himself. He's a brilliant inventor and entrepreneur, but many feel he's now distracted. Along with Tesla, Musk is also running SpaceX, Neuralink, the Boring Company, and now a new AI startup called XAI. Some investors feel that he's not focusing enough on Tesla anymore. On top of that, Musk has been posting controversial things on social media. Some people feel uncomfortable with his political views or the way he talks online. There are even customers who say, "I love the car, but I don't want to support Elon Musk." This kind of image problem can seriously hurt a brand. Also, Tesla promised a lot of big things in the past like full self-driving, robotaxis, and humanoid robots, but many of these promises are still far from becoming real. Tesla's full self-driving software still needs human supervision and has not received full legal approval. Investors are starting to get tired of waiting. They want real results, not just ideas. Tesla's stock price has dropped nearly 30% from its peak in 2023. That's a clear signal that people are losing patience. Another issue is Tesla's service and customer experience. While the cars are great, many customers have complained about long waits for repairs, limited service centers, and poor customer support. As Tesla tries to sell cars to regular families, these things become very important. A good product is not enough if the after-sales service isn't smooth. And finally, the global EV market itself is going through a reality check. For years, governments gave special support to electric cars through tax benefits and subsidies. But now, some of those benefits are being reduced. People are also realizing that setting up home chargers or finding fast public charging stations is still not easy in many places. These factors are slowing down EV adoption, and Tesla is taking the hit. So, to sum it up, Tesla is falling because EV sales are slowing, profits are shrinking due to price cuts, competition is rising, customers want newer models, Elon Musk's image is becoming a problem, and the big promises are taking too long to deliver. Tesla is still a strong company, no doubt, but right now it is facing a storm, and how it handles the next 12 months could decide whether it stays a leader or becomes just another car brand. What do you think about all this? Drop a comment below. Do like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.